Welcome to the last topic of continuous charge distribution of charges, and that is volume charge distribution. You can see in our reference frame there is a cuboid having the continuous charge distribution over it. Now here we define a quantity which is called volume charge density, and it is symbolized by rho. Okay, now it is defined as charge per unit volume. That means how much charge is there for a given volume, we can find out, right? And the formula will be Q by V. And from this, the unit will be very simple job. That will be coulomb per meter cube. Simple. And if I talk about the dimensional formula, then it will be M0 L minus 3 T1 A1. Okay, this was the conceptual part. But when I'm going to use it for the derivation of some theory or say so for some numerical, then I'll be needing is a little volume element. Say its volume is infinitely small dV, and the charge over that volume is also infinitely small amount dq. Then here rho will be dq by dv. That's it. So after this, we're going to go for Coulomb's law. Stay tuned.